So I think it's a really important development this year that UK Construction Week is going to be supported directly by Construction Innovation Hub. I think the role of the CIH as part of the broader government industrial strategy is clear. It's to drive change. It's got significant funding, £70 million sitting behind it. It is obviously a virtual aggregation of the Manufacturing Technology Centre in Coventry, Cambridge Centre for Digital Built Britain and the BRE. So within those three organisations you've got a hub of activity going on that is supposed to be about driving and catalysing change. So for UK Construction Week to be supported by CIH and for them to be there, I think is a big mandate for really trying to drive change out to the wider industry, because the footfall that you're going to get during that week it gives a great big shop window, if you like, for how we should be doing things differently as an industry. Today's event here at the Quality in Construction Summit is really important about disseminating a wider message about what we need to change in our industry. So quality in many respects is quite a technical issue. It's about how we build things in a compliant way that are safe, that are durable, that actually give the end users of the buildings that we build what they need. But what I tried to convey today in my presentation was the fact that there's some softer issues in our industry as well that we also need to focus on, which is about values, it's about behaviours, it's about culture, it's about how we procure, it's about how we set the framework for people to really thrive and to deliver better outcomes. And also to recognise that actually if we're going to drive better quality in our industry, then that ultimately needs a reskilling of everyone that's working in our industry, whether it's procurers or surveyors, whether it's technical professional people, whether it's tradesmen. We do need to be ensuring that the competency bar, if you like, is lifted so that we can better assure our outcomes. So modern methods of construction as a concept, as a sort of plank of change, if you like, in our industry, it's a really important element of being at UK Construction Week later this year. I think because of the footfall and the amount of outreach that you get there, the ability to engage in a wider debate around MMC and its role in modernising our industry is really important, but also to educate that broader audience of what MMC actually is, because everyone thinks that's about off-site manufacturing, and actually the new definition structure that's been published in the last couple of months by government shows that quite clearly it's more than that. It's 7 categories of how we build differently in a more modern way, whether it's off-site manufacturing, near-site manufacturing, whether it's digital construction, laser scanning, robotics, everything. And I think UK Construction Week has a great opportunity to showcase what that really looks like as a range of different options, to actually give some tangible evidence of it being done as well, and the different solutions available in the market and what's also going to come in the future. I wear a couple of hats with regard to UK Construction Week this year. So I sit on the industry board of the Construction Innovation Hub, which is supporting UKCW. I also am a trustee of George Clark's charity Moby, which is looking to really attract and inspire young kids into our industry, to educate and skill them in the things that we think are going to be really important in a future-facing industry. I'm really excited to see how we might use Moby and CIH in a combined way at UK Construction Week to be able to demonstrate a new digital technology app that Cast, my business, and alongside Bryden Wood, our partners, have developed for London, which is called Prism. Prism is an open source app aimed at really driving modular thinking in early stage design. It's a bit like Minecraft, but it is absolutely rooted in the real world. So I'm looking forward to seeing if we can get some of the Moby school kids and perhaps the winners of the design challenge, who are going to be away manufacturing their solution and showing it at UK Construction Week, get them using Prism and actually showing to the world it's not just an app for industry, it's an app for education and for inspiring young kids to come into our industry. Look forward to seeing you at UK Construction Week in October.